Isoko wado everyone greetings to you everybody. Where are the Isoko students and lecturers? Yes, I want to see us today. I want to see us. Please make sure you watch this video very well. Try and listen to the pronunciation. Listen to the sound of the words to enable you understand what is there. To enable you understand what I mean, what I am saying, or what I'm talking about. Okay, please. Now, today's assignment is, I have 10 questions here. You are going to translate them to English for me. Yes. Let's see the Isoko students and the lecturers. Yes. You know, that's how I do my thing. No verse. And in case you have any mistake, please don't fail to correct me. Okay? Nobody is above mistake. Nobody is master of all. Alright, number 1. Asẹe. Owo noriase. Maje gwedona. Oriase. You understand? Asẹe. What is asẹe? I was just saying asẹe. Like na the judge case or na get case. Na call the judge and you know. Let me see your answer. Asẹe. Translate it to English for me. Eme asẹe. The number 2 Abẹe. Owo noriabe. Edonaje gwedede kona oriabe. Oside asẹe oriabe. Now tell me asẹe Abẹe. Give me the answers. That's number 2. Now number 3, Edhọguo. What is Edhọguo in Isoko? When you translate it to English, what will be there? Please tell me. Then number 4, Oravene. Obroziẹ. What is Obroziẹ or who is Obroziẹ? How do we call it in English? In Isoko, you say Obruoziẹ. So in English, what will be there? So tell me. Then number 5, Oziẹ. Oziẹ. Hi Oziobro. Oziẹ. Hi Oziobro. Number 6, Orivo. Orivo. Mwana na video mevo gaga Orivo. Orivo mwana ga. Orivo mwana ga. Mwana Orivo gaga. Ogbe gine Orivo ha. Mwana sa gine teme no bete na kamen. Osa gine kwaro. O ba me komi mwana ba kamen. Ore me ye. Ore me ye. Orio mevo. Orivo jabo ogbe gine Orivo e ba na gine pe bana. Koro sa gine kwaro. Se me come fe pa. Ba gine kano go Orivo pa ese. Ona. Mate were chefa. Mate traere. Orivo. What is Orivo in English? How do we say Orivo in English? Translate it to English. Then number 7, Odiri. Nyovo Odi. Odi. Odita. Tapi Odiovo. Odi. What is Odiri? Odiri in English. When I say translate it to English, what do I mean? Odiri. The number 8, Oravere. Number 8, Idhọvẹ. Idhọvẹ. Idhọvẹ ne gake. Idhọvẹ buke. Kini Idhọvẹ ne rapo. Ena na obi kini di Idhọvẹ ni re 0 eva po. Evi ge. Where are you? Eva ya. Idhọvẹ. What is Idhọvẹ? Translate it to English for me. The number now Oravizi Ikiakọ. Awo yoreta no ishiakọ. You know, Isoko we have different, you know, Isoko a different community and their tongue. Some people say Ikiakọ, some people say ishiakọ. So what is the meaning? The number 10 on my list, but not the last. Oravibe rurere vaitsene. Ironically, rurere bobi keme fagbere muta is Oeho Oruọzewọ. Oruọzewọ. Wegino Oruọzewọ. Owe no favo Oruọzewọ. Yo Oruọzewọ. Uwe mu no desena o deso Oruọzewọ. What is Oruọzewọ in Isoko? When Isoko person say Oruọzewọ, what is it trying to talk about, or what is it saying? When they say interpret it in English, what's that? A male Oruọzewọ. So those are my questions for today, and I'm waiting for your answer in the comment section. Please don't fail to share. If you like this video, please help share, like, drop your comment. Let's see. Let's educate ourselves. Our language must not die. Isoko must not die. Let's encourage ourselves. Let's support ourselves. Let's educate ourselves. Isoko must not die. I remain of Roomote, one of Isoko Nation. My work is to promote Isoko culture, tradition, history, and the language. Chikina. That's all. So please help me follow my page of Roomote on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. Please subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. Let's meet in the comment section. Isoko to the world. I love you all.